Picture this. You're about to take a huge exam. You take a seat in your crowded lecture hall and start awkwardly trying to balance all your stuff onto one of those sad little pop-up desks. We've all been there. You've got your laptop, papers, Scantron, pencils, 40-ounce water bottle, goodness knows what else. Your space is cramped and it's stressful. College lecture hall desks are not only smaller than office desks, they're smaller than elementary school desks. That doesn't make any sense to me. Shouldn't our learning environment make us more productive? That's why I'm introducing DoubleDesk, a portable desktopper that nearly doubles your workspace simply by clipping on top of any lecture hall desk. There's a cup holder for your Stanley and a phone pouch underneath. And if you need to get up mid-class, DoubleDesk can fold up and out of the way for you. Now take your imaginations back to that big exam, but now with DoubleDesk. Suddenly, all of your stuff has space. Now, there are other desk extenders on the market, but they're not made for us. They're the wrong shape and size for lecture hall desks, and they're too bulky to be portable for our backpacks. But DoubleDesk's lightweight, collapsible design will be tailor-made for lecture hall desks. Do you want your desk to make you less productive or more productive? Personally, I want to see a future where the size of our desks does not hold back our learning. So if you're with me, keep an eye out for DoubleDesk. Thank you.